Where'd you say we are? The Cliffs of Moher.
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 M-O-H-R. Moher.
M-O-H-E-R.
Where's that at?
H-E-R.
We in
Moher.
Ireland?
Take a picture of it right here.
We in Ireland?
Do you want to take a picture?
Steve's taking a
You want to
video.
take a picture of my ticket? Take a picture of my ticket.
What ticket?
Steve, the Cliffs of Moher.
Moher.
M-O-H-E-R.
They spell it different.
M-O-H.
M-O-H-E-R.
This is the second most populous.
Second most visited site in
What's the
Ireland.
first one?
Guinness Storehouse, where we went on our first day in Dublin.
You went there?
Yeah, Mary went there all by herself.
Who are you?
With you.
Do I know
and
you?
Lori,
Do I know you?
Bob. Oh, we like these bugs.
We gotta walk because they're bugging.
I'm getting a picture of Moher.
We're gonna walk far.
You're going way over there? Beautiful day in Ireland. May 29th, 2018. Here we are.
30.
30?
May 30th, yeah.
Hi.